my friends. I'm gonna be eating a bagel with poppy seeds and with garlic on it. Yummy. Then I'll be eating some brie cheese. Yummy. And I'll be drinking some beetroot juice. Look at that. It actually has sesame seeds on there too. I especially like the onions on a bagel. Yummy. Do you like bagels too? It's a bit dry, but I really didn't want any margarine or butter on it. I'll be eating some brie cheese. You see me? My tongue was trying to stick it through there. Silly me. It's past midnight and I'm eating now. I didn't go to bed yet, so I didn't get up for midnight snack. Look at my cheese now. Actually, I'll be drinking my beetroot juice first. I'm not having a milk mustache. I have some seeds here. I'm actually having a beet juice mustache. No, not a mustache. Beet juice. Beet lipstick. Beetroot lipstick. That's how women used Eau Rouge. They used beetroot for their cheeks. I think before there was makeup, and maybe still today I think they do. Some women that want natural makeup, maybe they can't afford it, they put beetroot powder on their cheek, or just, I guess, rub in a little bit of beet juice. There we go, look at me. Oh, look at my fingernails. The Jewish women in the concentration camps, they didn't have beads, they used blood. My husband just said, can you say it again?
Occasionally the Nazis would do a selection of the Jewish women and pick some women who would be cremated and murdered when those women continued to live and work. And the women didn't want to be killed, so they would poke their fingers and spread it on their cheeks to have nice, rosy, healthy-looking cheeks.
Yeah.
So they would live.
Yeah. Thank you, my husband. Look at that. That's the cheese I'll be eating. It's from France. Yes, I live in America, and I'm a German woman eating French cheese. Brie cheese. Let me show you the cold wrapper. I wasn't even gonna make a movie tonight. You see me right there on the camera. Yeah, my husband holding the mirror up for me. Let's have some. Do you like brie cheese? So good. That's close up. A lot of my subscribers like that. And the whispering, so this is ASMR, which stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. You make it the tingles, and you make it hungry too. I hope you're getting some good food to eat, my friends. That's my wish for you. I hope you like my eating video. I made another eating video. Eating brie cheese. I tried a different kind. I like the other one better than this one, but this is real good too. I'm thankful. I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. Have a good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Tell me if you liked it by giving me a thumb up, a like, comment, and a subscribe.